Indian Coast Guard successfully busted an international oil smuggling racket through a coordinated sea air operation, leveraging tech enabled surveillance and maritime dominance. Three vessels involved in illicit mid sea transfer of oil were intercepted off the west coast near Mumbai. The operation reaffirms India's resolve to safeguard maritime interests and uphold the rules based order at sea. Indian Coast Guard busted an international oil smuggling racket on 6 February through an intricate sea-air network-centered operation. The vessels involved devised a method to smuggle large volume of cheap oil and oil-based cargo from conflict-ridden countries and profit by mid-sea transfer to motor tankers in international waters. The syndicate consisted of a network of handlers operating from various countries, coordinating the sale and transfer between sea-going vessels. Three vessels were intercepted by ICG ships about 100 nautical miles off the west coast on 5th February, and through sustained rummaging, corroboration of electronic data on board of the suspected vessel, and verification documents and interrogation of crew, ICG specialist boarding team established the chain of incidents and the modus operandi of the criminals. ICG Tech Inclusive Systems detected a motor tanker conducting suspicious activity in the Indian exclusive zones, prompting a digital investigation into the actions of the vessels. ICG further undertook data pattern analysis of another vessel closing in on the vessel and identified two other vessels as possible suspects involved in illicit transfer of oil-based cargo at sea, evading significant duties owed to the coastal state, including India. On 5th February, ICG specialist team boarded the vessel and confirmed the accuracy of the digital evidence, leading to the apprehension of the vessels. The vessels are likely to be escorted to Mumbai for further investigation and handing over to Indian customs and law enforcement agencies for further actions. The vessels were found to frequently change identity to evade law enforcement actions by coastal states. The vessel owners are based in other countries as per initial investigations. The operation, initiated through digital surveillance and enforced through the ever expanding maritime presence of Indian Coast Guard, once again established India as a net provider of maritime security and enforcer of international rules based order. Thanks for watching National Defense. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.